The other day, somebody told me I live in a fantasy world. I gotta tell you, I almost fell off my unicorn. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. The other day, I put this together. These are my little hens and chicks, and what was the other thing they were called? They have a big fancy name, but hens and biddies. And I found out a lot about these that I did not know. And it seems that these are going to start multiplying a lot, and which makes me very happy because I already have so many ideas. But my little garden here is a little bare, so the first thing that came to mind is to add a little bit of pops of color to them. And for a little garden like this, I don't know about you, but the first thing that pops into my head is, adding little, like, rocks. So I thought I'd do a little bit of rock painting. Now these, I got this whole nice little bag full from the Dollar Tree. They come in this little netted thing. Lots of shapes and sizes. And great for rock painting and all kinds of goodies. One thing I will tell you right off the bat, if you're going to paint these and you do buy them at the Dollar Tree or actually any store like Walmart or whatever, take them home, wash them up. If you have a dishwasher, put them like in a strainer, put them in your dishwasher on hot. They do have a wax coating. I don't know if you can see that, but if you paint over this, it'll paint nicely, but it won't take long for the paint to start coming off. So you do want to clean these up, get this wax coating off, and you can feel it actually, and they're nice and bright and shiny. And as you can tell, these ones I've already, see the difference? These ones are dull and they're more gray than these ones. These ones I've already prepared. I should have done the whole batch, but hindsight, that type of thing. So anyway, we're going to do one of the easiest things to do, and we're just going to paint. I'm going to paint a few little buggies, and you can actually you can use anything. You can use paint. I have paint, lots of paint, all different kinds of paint. I have acrylic paint, I have enamel paints, I have metallic paints, I have sparkle paints, I have chalk paints, anything that you have. Watercolors probably not so much, but paint. I have all kinds of paint. You can also use probably markers, that type of thing. Paint pins, gel pens. Use your imagination. This is a fun. Sit down. Let the kids sit down. Make bugs, faces, anything you want. This is a fun imagination thing to do. And I love doing this. I will sit at night and it helps me think, gets the creativity going or whatever, and I will just make up a rock for no reason whatsoever, you know, and there's always a place for a rock. In fact, they have a, I don't know if it's still a thing, but you take a rock, you paint it up kind of cute, you put a little saying on the back of it, and you place it around your town, neighborhood, and let somebody else find it. It's like a pass it on game. So anyway, I digress and ramble. Okay. So I'm going to take these little rocks and I'm going to make them bugs or frogs or turtles or whatever I feel like. And I'm going to add some little color to my little garden over here. And I have brushes, paints, water, my palettes, my fancy dancy palettes. I actually have these little, gosh, I can't remember what they're called. They're for nail polish type dot things, but it's a cheap little set. I got this off of Amazon. I think I got all 4 of these, and they have these little balls on the end, and they're all different sizes, and the whole kit was less than $5. I also, you can use, this is those skewers, those wooden skewers that you see all over my house because my cats love to pick them up and run off with them. But like if you want to make dots, little fine lines, I have a pointy end. You can use, if you want to make dots, the end of a paintbrush or a fine tip paintbrush. This is one of those things. You always have the materials, all you need is the imagination. So let's get to work here, okay? So now we have some black rocks, and I did both sides and I let them dry thoroughly, and we have some white rocks. So now all we have to do is figure out exactly what these are going to turn into. So for me, I'm going to start with an easy one. The first one is going to be just the regular little ladybug. So I got most of it done right here already. I need some red, and let's get to work. there we go. We have a bumblebee, and these are petals off of one of those little Dollar Tree wire flowers. And I did spray them with the clear coat so they can sit outside and get wet and whatever and not fade off into oblivion. We have a little frog, and these were done just fast. I didn't really take my time because I wanted to show you, but they don't have to be perfect. There is nothing perfect about anything I do. This is a little ladybug, but how fun would these be to find in your garden, sitting on a fence? And like I said, people are making these little guys and other rocks probably bigger than these and leaving them around town just to bring a smile to somebody's face. And wouldn't something like that bring a smile to your face? So I have my little pops of color. I have my little hens and chicks, and now I can just put them wherever, and every time I look at these guys, oh, this is a little hedgehog. You probably can't really tell, but it's just a little hedgehog, or my idea of one. But little turtle. Okay, the little bumblebee is a little bit bigger than the rest. And of course the ladybug. But just a little bit of pop of color. How much fun is that? See, it brightened it right up. So now this is ready to go out on my porch until it starts overtaking, and then I'll bring it back in and I'll show you what I'll do with that. But that's going to be probably a few months down the road. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you do like these little out of my head, off the wall things, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. It's always fun to hear from you guys, and I really appreciate that there are guys out there, or people out there that watch these things. Yeah, it kind of surprised me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I really hope to see you soon, and I really, really, really hope you have a wonderful day. So, bye-bye now.